This is Santesh Kalada from Kalada Academy. So today in this video, I'll be showing you how you can create transformation videos like this. I'm sure that you have seen bunch of these videos on Instagram these days. So these are all created with a free tool called Krea. So I'll basically show you how you can create transformation videos like this. So just go to krea.ai and here you have an option called AI Video Generation. Just click on Generate Videos, and if you do not have an account, they'll ask you to create an account. Okay, so I just clicked on generate a video and it will open up a screen like this. In your case here, keyframe, any different image would be there, so whatever images are there, just delete it. And here also one image might be there, just delete it. And see, keyframe basically means the starting image. Okay, so the starting image, so it is a must that you should give at least one keyframe, at least one image, that is either the starting image or the ending image. So here, if you want to generate the video like me, just go to this generate option. See, if you want, you can upload an image. Otherwise, you have an option to generate an image as well. So I'll write a basket of oranges. So the image is generated. Now I can click on close button. Now what part of the image do I want? I kind of need the full image. A basket of oranges. It is ready. Next, here also, if you want, you can give it as a keyframe. That is what you want it to turn it into. And it's not a must that you should give it here. If you want, you can just double click and you have an option to give the prompt here. Anyway, I do not want it here, so I'll be deleting that. And here, or just give it as a text prompt. I want it to turn it into a group of yellow parrots. So just type that text here and close the button. And here the clip duration you can select here. So, and again in the settings you have the option to select the aspect ratio as well. And there are 4 different modes. That is how you want this image to be transformed. Okay. So these are all different modes you can test with. But to start with, I'll select the option this film, which is the default option. And after that, I'll click on the generate video part. And once that is done, you will be able to get a beautiful video like this. And once the video is generated, you always have an option to download this particular video. I hope you found this useful. Let me know your feedbacks in the comment section below. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found this useful. Now, if you want to learn more about how you can use AI to build and grow your business, I have the perfect solution for you. I'm offering a course called Advanced AI Certification Program where I teach working professionals and business people like you build and scale a business using the power of AI. Basically, I'll teach you how you can build an army of AI soldiers who work 24/7 for you. If you are interested in learning more, check out the link in the description.